Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the user system dialed a connection named which has failed, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, the three solutions are simple: disable firewall, proxy, and VPN. So, remove any third party VPN. For example, I have a VPN installed on my browser. It could be on my system, it could be on my browser. So, all I need to do is remove it, not just disable it, remove it. So, click on these three dots here. I click on add-ons and themes. I go to extensions. I will click on the three dots associated with it. I will remove it completely and done. Then I will temporarily disable the firewall. Search for Windows Defender Firewall and then go to Windows Defender Firewall. Go to turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Turn this off, and then click on OK. OK. And the last one is to remove any proxy. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. This will open the Internet Properties window. Go to the Connections tab, click on LAN settings. Make sure that automatic redetect settings is checked and this use a proxy server for your LAN is unchecked. Click on OK and then on OK once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.